No, ba't gano'n? Talong-talo. This is the HiTune S5 from Ugreen and this is one easy recommendation to give. So, it's easy to open just like that and you get greeted by a pair of clip-on na earphones. Ito yung fit ng earphones pag sinuot mo na. At first, I was actually skeptical kasi inisip ko baka maging badoy yung dating. Pero actually, di talaga siya natatanggal. And as you can see, app compatible din siya. Meron siyang equalizer din and may gaming mode. As well as pwede kang mag-multiple pairing with this. Para sa ganyang price. And usapang audio quality naman, I am surprised. Surprised to the point na masasabi kong I recommend this over yung mga open ear ni Sabat. And I'm not sugarcoating pag sinabi kong mas better ang audio nito kesa dun sa Sabat na na-try ko. Kasi pag itong minax out mo yung volume, buo pa rin ang audio na naririnig mo at hindi ka masasaktan. Unlike sa Sabat, na pag once na-reach mo yung certain amount ng volume, ang sakit na lang sa tenga talaga. Kaya if you're looking to start your open ear journey na, this is one easy recommendation to start with.